We're juniors.
We're sophomores.
And we're all arts management majors with music minors.
It's definitely a place where you can apply what you've learned in the classroom to this space. So all of us as arts management majors, there's so many valuable lessons that we've learned in the classroom that we've been able to test and conquer in this space. There's conflicts that we've solved, there's different marketing methods that we've learned to apply, just anything that we've learned throughout our course here, or our time here at IU, we've been able to apply to this club.
I think that this is something that's bringing the arts community together in a way that hasn't happened before. After this, bringing people from film, from interior decorating, from musicians, audio engineers, all together in the same space to having a common goal to share the local Bloomington music scene.